You definitely don't need any of these things to have a great cruise, but they sure make it better. Hey friends, welcome or welcome back. I'm Jess from Okayas Family Travels, and today I'm sharing my favorite Amazon and Dollar Tree must-haves for your Disney cruise. The things that make your stateroom more functional, your beach days easier, and your overall experience just that much smoother. Now, quick confession, I live in a rural area, which means the nearest mall is basically a whole day trip and my options for cruise prep are limited. So yes, I am that person who says I found it on Amazon more than I probably should. I also love a deal, so I often haul myself to the nearest Dollar Tree if I think I can get what I need for 5 quarters. Despite being some of the biggest in the industry, Disney Cruise Line staterooms are cozy, and with 4 or 5 people living in them, they get pretty tight quickly. So here's how we reclaim a little space. Everyone will tell you this one, and it's for a good reason. The walls are metal, unless you're on the Magic or the Wonder. Hang up hats, lanyards, beach bags, just get it up off the floor and the counter. Bins, otherwise you'll be elbow deep in a pile of socks and chargers wondering where it all went wrong. We also use one of these as a shoe bin to keep from tripping over shoes in the cabin. You can get these in various sizes from Dollar Tree for much less than Amazon. Cabins at night are like black holes. This saves your toes in the middle of the night and doesn't keep everyone up. Unless you're cruising solo, you will be sharing this space and you will be pooping. A travel-size bottle of Poo-Pourri or any bathroom spray is the difference between living peacefully and wondering if you can sleep in the hallway. Glamorous? No. Necessary? Yes. You know what's more intense than Disney Trivia Night? 4 people sharing one outlet. You're going to want a power strip, no surge protector on it. USB ports are a must. I keep at least one of these on me whenever I leave the house. Cruising is no exception. For Castaway Cay, Lighthouse Point, beach days, or anywhere you think, that looks like one of those 10-minute tropical downpours. And then it is. Protect your valuables. Let's keep things clean, tidy, and slightly less feral. Hanging toiletry bags help you use the vertical space. Most Disney Cruise Line staterooms have a split bathroom, so you have 2 places you can store what you need. Those hanging organizers aren't just for toiletries. You can organize anything that's lying around your stateroom with these, or use them as busy bags for dinner for your little kids. A pop-up laundry hamper will help, otherwise your stateroom starts to look like laundry is your theme. And a flat pack valet tray. These are great for items that normally blend into countertops, taking off your jewelry or putting your room keys in them. Here's where things get fun. Do you need any of this? No. Will you feel 11% more magical with it? Absolutely. Magnetic door decorations help you find your room, and frankly, after a drink of the day or 4, it's nice to have a visual cue. I have a whole video about this and pixie dusting if you're thinking about this. It can be a magical experience and a great bonus that you'll only find on Disney Cruise Line. Costumes and pirate accessories, princess dresses, the like, this is a choose-your-own-adventure level of participation. If you want to go all out, buying costumes on sale or just after Halloween is the way to go. Trust me, your wallet will feel like you did the magic. The sun is shining, the sand is hot, and the pool deck is busy. Let's come prepared. A mesh beach bag is lightweight, dries fast, and doesn't hold half the beach hostage in your suitcase. Pack a cap. It'll pack very flat, looks chic, and shields you from becoming a walking lobster. Or if you have curly hair like me and the humidity tries to fight you, no one will ever know. Pack reef-safe sunscreen and a lot of it. Bonus points if it includes a sea lice protectant. Juice and soda is included in the price of your fare on Disney Cruise Line. You just have to walk to get it. Bring your own cute cup and cruise like the hydrated queen you are. So there you have it, my ride or dies for Disney cruising. Are they required? Nope. But if you like things a little more organized, a little more magical, and a lot less stressful, they're worth it. I'll link everything in the description so you can order what you need before you're 3 days out with nothing packed but 1 flip-flop, a bowling ball, and an old tube of lipstick. If this helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more cruise tips, and let me know in the comments what's your must-have or your most regrettable forget. Thanks for watching.